What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Land Rover LR4 smart key remote fob. This Land Rover LR4 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to replace the battery is grab our key fob, and this silver piece on the side, what I'm going to do is push it up. So it'll slide up about that far, and then you'll be able to pull it off of there like that. Now this item right here, this metal piece, this is going to be the emergency key. So go ahead and grab that out of its holder. And then down here, what I'm going to do is put it in this slot right here like this. And then I'm going to use this key to pry the two halves of this case apart, like that. And if your emergency key is missing, you can use a small flathead screwdriver in that same slot. Once we get the two halves of the case started, we can go ahead and pull them the rest of the way apart with our hands like that. And in this half, we see our battery right here. And this will the battery will just slide out of that holder like that. Get the old battery out, and then we'll grab our new battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide that in its holder. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Grab our emergency key, put that back in its holder like that. And then the final thing we need to do is grab this metal piece, and we'll start on there like that, and then just lock down into place like that. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.